Hi loves, this is Felisa and welcome back to my great fall series full of fall inspiration and ideas. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly styling my bookshelf in my home office. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, love, so let me just briefly tell you where the items came from that I styled my home office bookshelf for fall with. So starting with the top shelf, all the items on the top shelf except for the pumpkin came from Z Gallery. The picks actually came from Hobby Lobby. Sorry about that. The pumpkin came from Home Goods. The ceramic books on the second shelf came from Z Gallery. Well, the gold one came from Home Goods. The white one's from Z Gallery. Bookends from Home Goods. The Ming boxes here actually came from Z Gallery. On the fourth shelf here, books from Amazon. I'll leave the link to my Amazon storefront just in case you want to shop my Amazon storefront. The little birdie came from Michael's. And the gold pumpkins came from lights.com. I'll leave the link below to those. The picks that you see here came from Z Gallery. The vase came from Home Goods. Pumpkin from Home Goods. And the acorns from Hobby Lobby. The little tray from Home Goods. Okay, love, so the bookshelf itself came from Rooms to Go, but you can get your hands on this bookshelf on Wayfair. I'll place the link down below. Most of the time it's sold out. I'm not sure if it's sold out, but you can always put your name on a wait list to be notified when the items get back in stock on Wayfair. So I hope that this video inspired someone on how to style their home office bookshelf for the fall. I'll see you guys in my next video.